Hey friends, John from the Home Transformer here. I am in Mountaindale at a homeowner who has water in the basement. So if you take a look around, take a look behind me, this could be your basement right now. After all the snow, after all the storms. So guys showed up to do their work today. About 3 inches of water in the basement. Nothing abnormal that we haven't seen before, right? Being a waterproofing company. So you can see the guys are gonna start. They're gonna get all the water out of here. So this is our perfect scenario. This is a perfect scenario for you guys to see what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do is install our full perimeter waterproofing system. So around all the perimeters of the wall, and Omar, our foreman, thank you for being my cameraman today. So we're gonna install a water guard perimeter system all along the bottom of the foundation here, right? We can't stop the water from coming in, but what we wanna do is we wanna redirect it to keep it out of your basement, keep you nice and dry so you stop ruining your stuff. And then in the corner over there where you can see Julio. Julio, wave at us. Hi, Julio. So in the corner over there, the guys are gonna install our super sump system with an exterior discharge line to hopefully keep up with all this water. Homeowner may need a bigger system, but she wanted to start small and see what was gonna work. So basic start, right? Your basement, give us a call, Home Transformer. We can help you take care of your issues and make sure that this doesn't happen again. I'll be back on Monday to show you the finished product. Have a great day.